Hi everyone, welcome to our class. Let us practice your reading comprehension today. Let's start. The joy of biking. In a small town, there was a boy named Alex who loved biking. Every morning, as the sun rose, he hopped on his bike and rode through the countryside. With the wind in his hair and the sun on his face, he felt free like a bird. Each ride brought new adventures and hidden treasures to discover. For Alex, biking was more than a hobby. It was his escape and joy. Let us answer the following questions. 1. What was Alex's favorite activity? A. Playing video games. B. Biking. C. Reading books. 2. Where did Alex ride his bike every morning? A. Around the town square. B. Through the countryside. C. In the park. 3. How did Alex feel when he was biking? A. Tired and bored. B. Free and happy. C. Scared and nervous. 4. What did Alex find on his bike rides? A. New friends. B. Hidden treasures. C. A lost puppy. 5. Why was biking more than just a hobby for Alex? A. It helped him win races. B. It was his escape and joy. C. It made him popular in school. Great job! See you again on our next lesson. Thank you for listening.